everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So today I'm here with a very interesting recipe for Ramadan, and we all know that Ramadan is soon coming up. But normally during the Ramadan I try to eat healthy. So my iftari is not full of pakoras, not all those chatpata things. I mean, I do make them, but I make them on Saturdays or Sundays, or when we have people coming over. So the recipe I'm going to share, it's going to be really healthy recipe and easy to make because I work full time. So for me, it's really important that the recipe is easier to follow and it's healthy. So let's go.